Welcome to the fixed income page. In this quick video, we'll walk through how to accurately add any fixed income investments you have into your Optiml account. Now, it's important to note that the fixed income page are for investments that have a maturity date, such as GICs and bonds. If part of your non-registered portfolio is just made up of annual interest income, then you can add that on the non-registered investments page and clearly indicate how much you receive in annual interest income. If you do have individual GICs and bonds you want to accurately track in Optiml, you can indicate yes and input the required fields. Begin by naming your fixed income. Input the principal amount you paid for it and the interest rate. You can then indicate the interest type, whether it's compound or simple, and the date you purchased the investment. Finally, you can select the maturity date of this fixed income. Once all required fields are completed, select Add. You can add multiple fixed income investments to your account. Upon the maturity date of any of your fixed income investments, Optiml will treat this as cash on hand in that year. The funds could be allocated towards your after-tax income needs or be reallocated into your investment portfolio.